7 things to do to prepare to put your home on the market. Number 1, remove the clutter. Number 2, take away personal items, including photos and portraits. Number 3, work on curb appeal.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm racing.
Number 4, fix what needs to be fixed. Just get rid of stuff you don't need. That was terrible. Number 5, do the renovations that make sense.
It's going down. I'm yelling to.
Make sure you leave the house before showings. Oh my God, the client's here. Number 7, make sure that the photos are bright and inviting. So if you're thinking about selling your home, give me a call, let's chat.